Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the toll roads in Jamaica. Now we are driving on Highway 2000 East-West leg and we're heading towards heading from Mandeville or from Maypen towards Old Harbour. Now Jamaica is in the process of building out its toll road network. Currently, the toll roads do not go all across the island. They currently go from Kingston to Williamsfield in Mandeville and from Kingston to Montego Bay, just on the outskirts of Ocherius. Now, when these toll roads were being designed, it was designed for the toll road to be built from Kingston straight to Montego Bay. The idea was to connect both international airports. However, there were no toll roads in Jamaica at the time this project was being undertaken. So it was decided to split up the construction of the toll roads into sections. Now, that has turned out to be a huge mistake because the toll roads make money. Millions upon millions of US dollars in profit or in revenue. But currently the toll roads, as we said, Kingston to Mandeville, Kingston to Ocherius basically. So they have plans now to build more sections, but it is still moving slowly. Now can you imagine if you could drive from Kingston to Montego Bay on a toll road? And the original alignment of the toll road was to go from Kingston to Williamsfield and then through the Balaclava area up into Mount Pelier into Montego Bay. But they're no longer using that route. So we're now going to go through the different sections of the toll road. 4 sections are left to be built. So the latest venture now, or the latest section, or the first section we're going to talk about is from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, and Hodges is just on the outskirts of Black River. So the government plans to extend the road from Williamsfield to Hodges, and it's going to go more towards the coast now. It's going to obviously have an exit for Mandeville, which is the largest town in the area. Then it's going to go up to the left of Spur Tree, closer towards the coast, go up into Junction, come down through Southfield, Treasure Beach, and come into Black River via Hodges. So that's the first section. Now they are working on that section and the construction phase is to start, I think it's early next year, but they are working on that section now. Another section that they are currently working on is the Northern Highway now, section 2 now, is they're going to be extending the highway on the north coast from Montego Bay to Discovery Bay, just on the outskirts of Trelawney. They are actively working on that project and they should start construction in 2026 also. So those are 2 more sections to the toll road. Now remember, these toll roads were to originally run from Kingston to Montego Bay, which would be connecting both international airports. So now the third section to be built is going to be from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. It's still going to go up through Mount Pelier, but it's no longer going through the Balaclava area. Originally it was to take the route of the train line, but they've changed that now. So from Hodges, it will head north or head across the island to Montego Bay. They have not started working on that well. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road includes the Long Hill Bypass, which will be a part of it. It's going to be part of the toll road. And in Montego Bay, the Bogue area, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road is also going to be a toll road. However, they have not officially confirmed the tolls, etc. So we'll just leave that until they officially convert it. But it's going to be a toll road. Now, so section 3 will be from from Hodges to Mount Pelier in Montego Bay. Now section 4 which they haven't started working on yet, but they've announced it's going to be built, is going to be from Hodges to Negril. Now, this is a new section that was never in the original plan for Highway 2000. But as we said at the beginning of the video, the highways are doing extremely well. Negril is getting an international airport, and there's a lot of expansion going on in Negril, so the highway is now going there. So that section is to be built from Hodges to Negril. So Hodges is going to have a massive interchange. One section going to Negril, another section going to Montego Bay, and the other section heading back to Kingston. So the fifth section to the toll road now is from Discovery Bay. They're going to build it into Montego Bay, but they have not announced that section officially yet. But it makes no sense to leave the highway in Discovery Bay. It needs to go all the way to Montego Bay. So that is, or those are the plans for the toll roads in Jamaica. Now, it has not been officially announced, but they had mentioned that they were going to build a road from Kingston to Port Antonio, a 4-lane highway, more inland. Currently, they have the Southern Coastal Highway, which runs along the coast, which is a free road. But that road is very close to the coast and it gets damaged easily. So they had announced a highway going more inland, which was actually the original route of the Southern Coastal Highway, which was to be a toll road. They haven't officially announced that it's going to be a toll road, but if they do build that road more inland, it would have to be a toll road to cover the cost. So when all of this is done, the entire section of Jamaica will be connected via toll roads. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.